Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone who cares about their well-being, the hidden dangers of high blood pressure and how it can lead to a stroke. First off, let's break down what high blood pressure is. Imagine your arteries are garden hoses. If the water pressure is too high, it can damage the hose over time. Similarly, when your blood pressure is consistently high, it strains the walls of your arteries, making them thicker and less flexible. This damage is a silent process, which is why high blood pressure is often called the silent killer. You might feel perfectly fine, but inside, this silent issue could be building up. Now, how does all this relate to stroke? A stroke happens when the blood supply to part of your brain is interrupted or reduced, preventing brain tissue from getting the oxygen and nutrients it needs. There are two main types of strokes: ischemic and hemorrhagic. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for both. In an ischemic stroke, high blood pressure can lead to the formation of clots or the narrowing of the arteries, blocking blood flow to the brain. Think of it like a traffic jam in your brain's highway, stopping vital nutrients from getting through. On the other hand, a hemorrhagic stroke occurs when high blood pressure causes a blood vessel in your brain to burst, leading to bleeding in the brain. Imagine the same garden hose bursting because of too much pressure. Scary, right? But the good news is, high blood pressure is manageable. Regular checkups, a balanced diet low in salt, regular exercise and stress management are key strategies in keeping your blood pressure in check. So, don't wait for symptoms to appear. Monitor your blood pressure and make healthy lifestyle choices. Your brain will thank you. Stay healthy and informed, folks. Until next time, take care.